If you want.
Slimerman, I summoned you. 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 Still nothing. Slimerman, I call you. Show yourself to us. Slimerman, I call upon you to show yourself to me. Slimerman, I summon you to show yourself to us. Slimerman, I summon you to show yourself to us. Nothing. Seriously, nothing, y'all. Not a peep.
Nothing.
Nothing. So.
It's a hoax.
It's a hoax. I don't see anything moving. I don't hear a peep. I don't even see him.
Yeah.
So, get up the light. So, I don't know what's up with this. So, I did what I was supposed to do, so I don't know what's up with that. But anyways, alright. We will come up with, I guess, tell you what I'll do. Maybe, turn it down. Hello? Thank you. That was rude.
I'm sorry.
Maybe later on tonight, on my next vlog, we might do the 3 o'clock a.m. The mirror. Call Slimerman through the mirror and see what happens. Maybe that'll work. I don't know. We'll find out. So, don't forget to like, subscribe, and we will see y'all soon. Peace!